You wake up in the morning and feel that heaviness in your legs, slight numbness in your hands, and your heart feels weak, tired, like it's barely beating. You tell yourself it's just age catching up, but does it really have to be this way? Every 36 seconds, someone dies from heart-related problems or diabetes complications. These silent diseases damage the health of millions of people over 60 every day. But growing older doesn't have to mean constant pain and fatigue. You can reclaim control of your health starting with what's on your plate. In this video, you'll discover powerful foods that can protect your heart, control your blood sugar, and clean your arteries, plus a special onion recipe at the end. Grab a pen and paper, and be sure to subscribe to the Longevity channel to ensure you never miss more videos like this one dedicated to helping you live a healthier, better life after 60. 1. Kale. Kale is a true green superfood, rich in soluble fiber. It reduces bad cholesterol, preventing heart disease. It contains sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant that fights artery inflammation and lowers blood sugar. It's also packed with calcium for stronger bones and iron, essential for fighting anemia and fatigue. Plus, its vitamin K improves blood clotting and prevents hemorrhages. Additional benefits: boosts vision thanks to vitamin A, strengthens immunity with vitamin C, protects skin against premature aging. 2. Avocado. Known for its healthy monounsaturated fats, avocado reduces bad cholesterol and protects against heart attacks. Rich in potassium, it regulates blood pressure. Avocado also boosts insulin sensitivity, keeping blood sugar stable. Its high fiber content increases satiety, helping with weight management. Additional benefits: contains lutein, protecting eyesight. Rich in vitamin E, promoting healthy skin. Enhances nutrient absorption. 3. Strawberries. Small yet delicious, strawberries have a low glycemic index, preventing blood sugar spikes. Packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, they reduce artery inflammation and strengthen blood vessel walls. Their high vitamin C content boosts immunity and improves skin elasticity. Additional benefits: enhances brain health and memory, helps prevent arthritis and gout, reduces infection risks due to natural antibacterial properties. 4. Walnuts. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, combating arterial inflammation, lowering bad cholesterol, and preventing heart diseases. Particularly beneficial for the brain, they enhance memory and concentration. Rich in magnesium, walnuts help control glucose levels and blood pressure. Additional benefits: strengthens bones with calcium and phosphorus, improves sleep quality due to natural melatonin, helps prevent depression through tryptophan. 5. Yams. Yams provide complex carbohydrates for steady energy without causing blood sugar spikes. They contain diasteogen, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound protecting your arteries. Rich in vitamin B6, they support emotional balance and hormone production. Additional benefits: boosts immune system function, reduces menopausal symptoms like hot flashes, supports gut health through high fiber content. 6. Garlic. Garlic has been used for thousands of years as natural medicine. Its active ingredient, allicin, improves blood circulation and lowers blood pressure. It also enhances insulin sensitivity, helping manage diabetes, and possesses antibacterial and antiviral properties to boost immunity. Additional benefits: fights respiratory infections, reduces the risk of stomach and intestinal cancers, improves bone health, especially in postmenopausal women. 7. Apples. Apples, especially with the skin, are rich in soluble fiber, helping control blood sugar and cholesterol. The skin contains quercetin, an antioxidant protecting blood vessels from inflammation and cell damage. Additional benefits: aids digestion and prevents constipation, strengthens immunity with vitamin C, promotes satiety, aiding in weight control. 8. Broccoli.
Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant that reduces artery inflammation and prevents heart diseases. Rich in vitamin C and K, it boosts immunity, strengthens bones, and improves iron absorption. Additional benefits: protects against cancers like breast and prostate cancer. Enhances eye health with lutein and zeaxanthin. Supports body detoxification. 9. Oranges. Oranges eaten with their pulp provide fiber that reduces sugar and fat absorption. High in hesperidin and vitamin C, they keep arteries flexible and support cardiovascular health. Additional benefits: fights viral and bacterial infections. Enhances iron absorption, preventing anemia. Stimulates collagen production for healthy skin. 10. Oats. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, lowering bad cholesterol and controlling blood sugar levels. Their high fiber content increases satiety, aids weight control, and promotes intestinal health. Additional benefits: improves immune function, boosts serotonin production, improving mood, reduces colon cancer risk by promoting gut health. 11. Almonds. Almonds contain healthy fats and magnesium, helping manage cholesterol and blood sugar. They provide vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your arteries and skin from premature aging. Additional benefits: strengthens teeth and bones due to calcium and phosphorus. Enhances brain health, preventing neurodegenerative diseases. Reduces oxidative stress. 12. Purple grapes. Rich in resveratrol, purple grapes improve circulation, protect your arteries and brain, and combat age-related inflammation. Studies indicate grapes enhance memory and help prevent Alzheimer's. Additional benefits: reduces the risk of blood clots, improves skin health with potent antioxidants, protects kidneys due to antioxidant properties. 13. Black beans. Packed with fiber and plant-based protein, black beans balance blood sugar and provide lasting energy. Their antioxidants fight artery inflammation, protecting your heart and preventing cellular aging. Low glycemic index ensures steady energy release, preventing dangerous sugar spikes. Additional benefits: increases satiety, aiding weight control. High in iron, preventing anemia. Contains folate, essential for neurological health and heart disease prevention. Improves gut health, reducing colon cancer risk. 14. Lemon. Despite their sour taste, lemons alkalize the body, reduce silent inflammation, and maintain chemical balance. They're among the best sources of vitamin C, boosting immunity, enhancing blood vessel elasticity, and aiding iron absorption, preventing anemia. Consuming lemon with meals lowers the overall glycemic index, stabilizing blood sugar. Additional benefits: improves digestion and reduces reflux symptoms. Combats bacterial and viral infections. Prevents kidney stones by stimulating toxin elimination. Promotes healthy skin, combating premature aging. Special onion recipe. With all this knowledge, here's a special onion recipe, a natural elixir to protect your heart, manage diabetes, and cleanse your arteries. Ingredients: 1 thinly sliced red onion. Rich in quercetin, reduces inflammation, improves circulation and insulin sensitivity. 1 teaspoon turmeric, contains curcumin, powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil, reduces bad cholesterol and protects arteries. A pinch of black pepper, enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, stabilizes blood sugar and improves digestion. Preparation: heat olive oil over medium heat in a non-stick pan. Add sliced red onion and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until lightly caramelized. Mix in turmeric, black pepper, and apple cider vinegar. Cook for another 2 minutes. Serving suggestion: enjoy this at least 3 times weekly with salads, brown rice, quinoa, whole grain toast, and steamed vegetables and lean meats. Recipe benefits: significantly reduces arterial inflammation, improves blood sugar control, lowers blood pressure and bad cholesterol, enhances energy and mental clarity, especially in people over 60. You've just discovered how common foods can transform your health naturally and effectively. To dive deeper and access additional practical recipes and guidelines, we created an exclusive ebook based on this video. This ebook is available for a symbolic price, helping support the Longevity channel. The link is in the description below. Please like this video, comment on which foods you'll add first, and subscribe to the Longevity channel dedicated exclusively to your health, quality of life, and active longevity after 60. See you in the next video.